Hey, my name is Manoa. I'm Fijian. Came from Fiji, and I've been doing driving school at the first drive school with uh, with uh, with the driving instructor. I've been learned a lot of things, a lot of new things that I've never taught before. He's a good instructor, but I recommend you that please come to first drive school and get a lesson, get new things there, so we can have Australian license. And today, I feel great and happy because already I have to my first attempt driving test at the Silverwater, and I passed my test and with a license. Uh, and I'm happy, and my boss will be happy for me because I've passed my test. Thank you.
Right. Congrats once again, Manoa. Thank you very much. Thank you.